salt. There we go.
Salt.
Mixed spice. Okay.
Usually I find the spices and herbs tend to be in quite a small looking container. Often in like a little glass type looking container, things like that.
I believe we need ground cloves.
Oh, okay, right, yep, tick that one off.
And mixed spice. It is. Cinnamon. Right here. Now I've got ground cloves. Now I need to go get some eggs, but I have chocolate chips here, so I may as well just get those.
I was worried I might forget those.
So how long should I mix it till they look combined?
Yeah.
See if I can show you.
Yeah, looks okay.
Then it says add the egg. They'll also do this over the stove.
Okay. Saves getting any eggshell in the mixture. You might not.
Yeah, so I don't get any eggshell. Definitely smells like hot cross buns.
Ooh.
It's getting harder to mix. Okay, mix those together.
Okay, excellent. Tick. Done.
Yeah.
That looks good. Yeah. I just got to pop the boiling the kettle on again. It would have cooled down a bit by now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I've turned that on. So do you want me to go get my dad?
Yeah, it's nothing. Just if you need it.
Okie dokie, what do you after, mate?
Okay, my dad is here.
Now, I don't think your dad will be able to hear me. I'll just have to wave. He hasn't got to hear.
What do you need?
Some water that's in the kettle.
Yep. What do you want me to do with it, mate?
Hi.
Can you pour it, please?
Yeah, okay. Then we want to get to that one that says 250.
Yeah, we'll still be really hot, so just be really, really careful.
Yeah.
Splash yourself.
It's kind of hard to splash myself because it's already absorbed into it.
Wow. Okay. I have never had white chocolate and brown chocolate hot cross buns before. Sounds good.
No. Which is why I'm kind of nervous I might.
Well, I get a bit nervous the first time I ever make anything because I'm never quite sure if it's going to work. And then after I've made it the first time, sometimes I think back on how it worked. And I think, okay, that went well, and I feel more confident the next time. Or if I did something wrong, I learned from it. So, for example, what I would do with this recipe if I was you was maybe if you decide to make it again, just mark down after the boiling water, or just mark down add chocolate chips.
Yeah.
And that way you'll remember it for next time.
I've mixed those in now, so I'll just estimate again for the eggs. Well, it's really cool we can do these online, these sessions.
Okay. Yeah, well, I mean, it's good because, you're in your own home, so we can
No, it's just leaving the room.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, less stress. Now, you were going to do the taste test, weren't you?
Yeah, I'll do that.
We're going to check it had enough sweetener.
Yeah. I think it's okay. There we go. And I just need to make that one a bit more even. Okay. Now I definitely am ready to roll these up. Increases my patience.
Yeah, well, I think you're being very patient.
Well, at least you learn by making mistakes.
Yeah, that's very true. Yeah.
Learn from.
I've learned some of my most important lessons from making mistakes.
Yeah, and this is the first time I've made these, so I've done pretty well. So.
Does it smell sort of hot cross bunny?
Kind of.
Probably when it cooks, it'll bring out the smell more. I find I can tell when something's just about finished cooking when it starts to make a smell.
I've done them.
Cool. All right, so that can just go on the tray. And once you've done that, maybe do you feel comfortable with the oven, or do you think you might need your dad's help for that bit?
Put some baking thingy on my hands.
Oh, the baking.
So I think I'll be okay.
Yeah, maybe just get him to stand nearby just in case you need help. But you can try what you feel comfortable with, and then he can step in.
I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but.
Oh wow, that looks good.
Yeah, I'll just go grab my dad.
Okay.
Oh, I can open the door. Or do you want to open the door and I'll put it in, or do you want to?
I'm not ready.
Put one in the. All right, yeah, slide. That's it. Slide. And that. Get your hand up this in the door. That's it. Well done.
Put them in the oven.
Okay, good. All right, well done. So let's see. And so it says so for 20 to 30 minutes.
Set a timer. Probably set a timer.
Yeah, probably a good idea. So what are you going to set it for, the 20 or the 30?
20 first.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, it may not be.
That's the timer.
Okay, cool. All right, well, it might be time to turn the oven off and then maybe get your dad's help to pull that out.
Yep. Okay. I'll just go get him.
Okay. What we might need.
Okay, I've turned the oven off. Yeah, I can smell them now.
Okay, that's usually a good sign.
I'll just.
Just check if it looks like it's browning on the outside.
Yeah, they are.
To check. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they are. Well, I'm glad I got Dad to do it because apparently even with the oven mitts on the tray is quite hot.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, probably.
Now I'll show you if I can get the camera on it.
Wow, that's so exciting! They look amazing.